Which quadratic equation can be factorized? My dear student, sometimes middle term splitting process for the factorization doesn't work. In that case, we use the quadratic formula. For that, first we write the general form of quadratic equation. This is the general form. Let us compare the coefficients. A is equal to 4, B is equal to -3 and C is equal to 5. Now we will find out discriminant. D for discriminant, the formula is b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 3 square 4a into c. D is equal to minus 71. D is equal to minus 71. D is negative, it means D is less than 0. So this is the rule. If discriminant is less than 0, then no real roots for this quadratic equation. So this equation cannot be factorized. See, what is the reason? Formula is minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. This is a quadratic formula to find out the factors. Minus b means this minus minus plus. Plus minus d we found minus 71 upon 2 into a means 2 into 4. So we will get the two values but not real. 3 plus minus root 71 upon 8 and another value 3 plus minus means 1 minus 71 upon 8. So minus in the under root, minus in the square root means it is not real, imaginary number. Now let us check the next one. Now let us compare this quadratic equation with general form. So a is equal to 16 and b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to minus 1. So first of all, discriminant. B square means minus 24 square minus 4a means 16 into minus 1. Minus minus plus, this is 64. Here d is greater than 0. It is positive value 640. So greater than 0 means it can be factorized. There are real roots. If real roots are possible, so let us find out the roots, means factorize with the help of quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus under root discriminant upon 2a minus b means minus 24 plus minus under root d means 640 upon 2 into a means 2 into 16. 640 we can write 8 root 10. 64 square root will be 8 into 10 under root 10 upon this is 32. Here in the numerator and denominator we can take the common 8. So plus minus means the one root is 3 plus under root 10 upon 4 and another is 3 minus under root 10 upon 4. If any quadratic equation which cannot be factorized by middle term splitting, so we can use the quadratic formula. So these are the factors of this quadratic equation. So my dear student, you can see the quadratic formula is very useful. With the help of this formula, you can judge the quadratic equation can be factorized or not, and you can find out the roots, which is not possible with the help of middle term splitting.